And we're back at it again, working on the Crown Vic. Today we're adding horsepower. A lot of horsepower. Let me show you what we're adding. I mean, each one of these adds at least, I don't know, 5-10 horsepower. I mean, that's at least 10. It's gotta be. I mean, this says 280 on it. That's gotta add at least 5 or 6. I mean, trans temp, it's gotta add some horsepower. So that's what I was thinking. But what we're gonna do on the inside, let's kind of see what I did here. I'm gonna do the whole deal. Put the tack over here, something like that. And one thing I like about these gauges, I'll show you this oil, is it's the wire fed with a little sending unit. I've just learned to. Now the Buick had the old style ones. And y'all gonna laugh at my little makeshift all brass fittings, but I could not for the life of me get that big doobob around the oil filter. So that's kind of what I had to do. It may look janky, but I done took the filter off, put the filter back on, and yeah, so I've already checked it. It don't leak, so whatever. But I like those because that is just brass fittings and the unit, instead of these here, which are good, don't get me wrong. Those work fine, but over time, this hot, cold, they dry rot and break. So I have already started, obviously, and I realize I'm trying to make a YouTube channel, so I better record. So that's where we're at now. Well, we got bad news. I don't know what it is with me and head gaskets. Guess the Crown Vics are gone too. I mean, I got the little sensor in. Sorry, I know I'm not supposed to spin it around, but yeah. Pulled this little oil cap off. Dang it. And I saw this nasty fungus. I was like, oh no, I know what that looks like. Pulled the valve cover off, and this thing was just caked. Bad caked with junk. Then yeah. Then you look at the head and you can see all the water on top of it. This sucks. Dang it. I really don't want to tear this thing apart, but I guess I ain't got much of a choice now, do I? Well, there ain't no sense in continuing to hook the gauges up, so I gotta work tomorrow anyway. So this will conclude Chucky's Garage today. I know this was a really long video, and I was making some progress, headway, you know, all that good jazz. Dang head gaskets. Heck, I hadn't drove it, so when I checked the oil when I bought the car, it didn't see none of that. But it is clearly on there. I can show you the stick. Yeah, you can see down in there just the puddles that don't look very good, I must say. But I mean, it's old. I didn't expect it like a brand new engine. But you can see it was running off of it, but I've wiped it several times. Yeah, you can see that big clunk on the end of the stick. So it's not good. Well, I wish I was ready for these, but you know, I gotta get these built. And before I did this, I still gotta get the carburetor built, and I wanted to do a cam and all that crap. I mean, I know now's the time to do it, but it's just hitting your wallet too much. I thought I'd probably do it next year sometime, the motor stuff, you know, because I had some other ideas of some stuff I wanted to add to it. So I was like, well, I'll wait till next year, run it bone stock, because, you know, I ain't going to win no drag races, which I don't drag race anyway. I mean, no name nationals be for fun, but I know I ain't going to win crap. Well, like, subscribe, all that good jazz. And need to get on the old interwebs and order some head gaskets. See y'all next time.